Hey guys, we are deep into cold weather season here in New York, and this is my winter toddy. It's so cozy and warming and nutritious. There's apple cider. Okay, cool, let's do it. So what I did was I heated up some organic apple cider that I got, some local apple cider, and this I just have some hot water, got some orange slices, cinnamon sticks, bourbon, and I also have this beautiful lemon liqueur, which is so nice. It's made from Meyer lemons. You can also use a lemon bitters. You can use a simple syrup infused with lemon. I just love the lemon addition to this because it really helps cut the sweetness of the cider. Okay, great. Here's what we're gonna do. Super easy. Your favorite mug. I like using a glass mug for this because it's so pretty and you want to see through it. So let's do some cider first. Let's make two. It's so soothing. Also, if you're feeling a little under the weather, this has helped me feel a little better too. It's like a version of a hot toddy. A little bit of hot water again, just to like mellow out the cider. We're gonna do a shot of bourbon. Awesome. And we're gonna do a splash of our beautiful lemon liqueur. And now let's mix it up with some of our cinnamon sticks. Do a little mix, 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 and then drop it in. I usually put in a couple. And then I love adding a fresh orange slice or blood orange if you have it, even better for the winter season. And that is your winter toddy. Look at how pretty that looks. You can also add some clove, but I like the clear glass because you can see through it. It's just beautiful. Oh, it's good. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video. Cheers.